Kyrie, what's wrong with you? Kyrie, look. What's wrong with you? Why are you sad? Kyrie, why are you so sad? I'm sitting here. Kyrie, can you move? Can I lay there? Because that's exactly where I was sitting.
No, mine.
Really?
Mine. Pillow. My pillow.
Can I throw you out the window?
No.
Please?
No.
Can you go home now?
No.
Why?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. Good night. I'm gonna lay on you. Kyrie, I hate you.